Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Brain Boy Man, where we drop all tips on cryptocurrencies and airdrops. Today I want to teach you guys uh, how to sell USDT or any token through Bybit P2P if you're a Nigerian user. Yeah. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. By the way, you can hit on the like, subscribe and share button to help me keep posting more of these kinds of videos. So let's jump right into the video. So first things first, this is Bybit. This is the interface. So when you get to the home page, you locate P2P trading. It's always at the home page. If you can't find it at the home page, you click on more. You locate more. Yeah. So when you click on more, if you scroll down a bit, if you scroll down to buy crypto, under the heading of buy crypto, you are going to see P2P trading there. But if you've been a regular user of trading P2P, it will be on the home page. So click on it. First thing you should do, if the coin you want to sell through P2P, if it is not on funding, you have to transfer it. You have to transfer it to funding first. And here's how you do that. You go to your assets, you click on transfer. So you select if it's USDT you want to sell, or BTC, or Ethereum, anyone. You select it and then make sure you transfer it from your trading account to funding account. So you'll be able to sell it. The first time you enter this P2P, is going to ask you to fill some form, fill your details, and make sure you're a verified user. So you fill your details, you fill your bank account you want to use to receive, and every important details. So I've already done that. So this is popping up. As you can see, a lot of these users, at the front of their name, they wrote ineligible. So I think they broke a couple of rules, Bybit's P2P rules, and that's why they are ineligible at the moment. So what you should do to always trade with verified people, because there are a lot of scammers on Bybit, a lot of people with ill intentions. So you click on filter here, just at the top here. When you click on filter, then tick this box, show only verified advertisers and show only eligible ads. So when you do that, and you swap from buy to sell, because the column is on buy right now, so you click on sell. So you click on sell, you confirm. Yeah, so I want to sell about 90 USDT, and from my calculation, the range should be way above 100,000 naira. So I just wanted to filter the range from 100,000 and above. So I'm going to put the amount I want here, 100,000. Okay, so now, as you can see guys, it is showing me verified people I can trade with, verified advertisers. So let's pick one of the persons here. So let me pick this first person. I see he has done 7,000 orders, 95% successful. So let's go. So yeah, it's asking me to enter the amount I want to sell. I want to sell 91 USDT. So I'll click all my USDT is what I want to sell. So I'm selecting my payment method. I've already set my payment method here. So make sure you read the conditions of the seller, because each seller has like their own conditions to be met. Like some people prefer to be given a certain bank account number, a certain bank account details, and some will say they are not going to pay to certain banks. And just make sure you read the details. So I want to sell to this guy. So you can see I'll receive $91, 146,000 naira. So let's just click on sell. So now the next thing to do is to wait. Guys. Pending payment is 29 minutes. Depending on the seller, some of them are 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on the seller. So it's giving me 29 minutes to receive my payment. After 29 minutes, if I don't receive payment, I can now open an appeal. And also there's a function here to chat with who we want to sell to. As you can see, contact buyer at the top. You click contact buyer here. So I'm going to fast forward or pause the video and resume it when he paid. So guys, it took him about 15 minutes to make the payment. So when the buyer makes a payment, Bybit will show you a notification to click on release coin. So I did it. And then you get your money in your account, as easy as that. So guys, I hope this video is straightforward enough. If you have any questions, you can drop it on the comment section. And then, by the way, I drop link to my community in the description. And also, if you don't have a Bybit account, there's a link for you to register on Bybit. Thank you. See you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.